Good evening, guys. This is Henry Gamble with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video I wanted to take a look at gold. So today is Thursday, the Thursday prior to monthly expiration, and during Wednesday's cash session we had the FOMC minutes, and that was essentially the driver behind this move. Now, we've been bearish on gold for a while, but a lot of times people always are trying to attribute it to, why did something happen or what was the catalyst for it, and that's not always important. In this case, the main thing that we're looking at is the weekly chart, where the squeeze is still fired short and that momentum continues to the downside. So provided the dollar remains strong, gold should continue down into lower prices. A few things, because you always like to say, okay, what if it doesn't, or how at least can I know what to watch in case I'm wrong? A few very important levels to watch here on the daily chart come from symmetry and retracements of these prior swings. The other thing that's nice about these levels is anytime you can have a confluence of something that, okay, one set of traders may follow this, and then another set may follow this, that will usually give it a little bit more credibility and makes it important to watch. So what I mean by that is it's very basic to look at this and see a channel that's trading here. So as it comes up into that level, not only has it met fib extensions, etc., but it's also near the upper part of its channel. Now, as it's following down to these prices, these declines are similar to what we've seen before, and essentially these zones come in at 1170 and then 1160. If we can break that, I think that makes good for at least the test of 1150, and if those levels go, much lower prices. So I think that still will work out well. Another thing that's important that we follow is how platinum can sometimes lead this, and it continues to make new lows as well. As far as silver is concerned, it's another that should follow in the same pattern. It's not quite as easy to, or at least I don't have as much interest in shorting it personally. I'm just going to take the exposure that I want through metals, and a great way to do that is through ETFs. So that's a great setup. That's something that I'm going to be following for the next several months. And then if you want to take a look at learning more about this stuff through ETFs, there is a class that we can take a look at. So John has been looking at doing, and he will be essentially having a webinar the Saturday after Thanksgiving teaching how to trade options for wealth. So a lot of the things that are going to be coming, like I was looking at gold for the next 3 months, but then also more so in the next year, there's going to be these bigger ETF trends. I think it's going to be a great place to learn about how we can capture those, and I think it'll be very informative. So if you guys want to check it out, there'll be a link to sign up after this, and we'll see you at the next free video.